You might be wondering, how many followers do I need on TikTok to monetize my TikTok account? And it doesn't matter if you've got a small following on TikTok or a big following on TikTok, you can still make money on TikTok. And in this video, I really want to share with you how to make money on TikTok with 3 different TikTok monetization ideas. Let's start with number 3 with how to make money on TikTok. And I don't know if this is my favorite way or number 1 with how to monetize your TikTok account. So let's get into it and you can decide which one's your favorite way to make money on TikTok. So number 3 with how to make money on TikTok is a content creator. I work with brands and I help them grow on TikTok. And one of the biggest challenges for brands is that they just don't have enough TikTok content that they can be sharing to their TikTok profile. And that is a big opportunity for you to make money on TikTok. This means that you can work with a brand and be their TikTok content creator. So you create content for them, which you will film and share it with the brand, which they can then post to their own TikTok profile. And the reason why this is so valuable is not only because brands really need more TikTok content, but it's a really great way for brands to get authentic, real content that will help them boost their video views. This is a great monetization idea if you have a small following on TikTok. So how you go about this is if you love a product or service. So for me, I love this sun cream. I think it's amazing and I know they've got a TikTok profile. So go onto the brand's TikTok profile, have a look at the type of content that they're creating. And the biggest thing that you need to think about is, how can I create TikTok content for this brand that's a little bit different and adds value? Next, film 1 TikTok video and share it with the brand. Explain to them that you love their product or your service, and this is the type of organic TikTok content that you can help create for the brand that they can then share on their TikTok profile. And if the brand is impressed, then you can become their TikTok content creator and you can agree on how many videos they want you to create per week or per month. And then you can also agree on how much you want to be paid on TikTok. Just like this example here, we can see that this brand is working with a ton of different content creators who are helping to create content for the brand so that they can grow their TikTok profile. Now I'm going to give you a really big pro tip. When you do send that example TikTok video, because you want to give the brand an idea of the type of content you can create, right? And you want to get them really excited, make sure that you include a watermark on that video. And that just protects you. So it means that the brand can't just go post the video on TikTok, and it means that you need to work out how much you can be paid before they start to use your TikTok content. Number 2 with how to monetize on TikTok is sponsored content. So this type of content on TikTok is when you work with a brand and you get paid for promoting that service or product. So you create a TikTok video and that's posted to your own TikTok account. So this works really well if you already have a following on TikTok. And the reason why brands want to work with you is because they want the opportunity to reach your audience. You can make money on TikTok because a lot of brands want to reach new audiences and grow their profile on TikTok. So by working with you and you creating a sponsored post, you're ultimately giving them access to your TikTok audience. If you're thinking, well, this is a great way to make money on TikTok, but how do I even get these brand deals? Well, if you need help with the step-by-step process of how to get brand deals, then let me know in the comments and I can create a video on that so that you can make money on TikTok with working with brands and getting paid for it. I'm just going to give you a pro tip. Before you work with a brand on a sponsored content piece on TikTok, make sure that you ask yourself a couple of questions. Firstly, does this align with my niche? And does it make sense to work with this brand? And secondly, will my followers find some sort of value if I share content about this product or service? You always need to respect your followers on TikTok. If you're enjoying this type of content, feel free to subscribe and you can get more content like this. Let's get on to number 1 with how to monetize your TikTok account. And I love this idea, which is a TikTok resume. So think of TikTok almost being like your resume. Every time you post a video to TikTok, you have the opportunity to show off your skills or your passion to people all around the world on TikTok. And there's lots of instances where people have been discovered on TikTok and are now working with big brands. In fact, it happened to a friend of mine who is an amazing artist and does drawings on TikTok. And she was discovered by a major book publisher and now she's drawing for children's books. So you can be using TikTok as your resume to share your skills and passion so that you can grow your brand and your expertise and make money on TikTok. In my case, my TikTok resume is all about sharing my marketing experience. So I help brands and content creators grow grow on TikTok. So I'm ultimately building my own personal profile. And you can do the same. If you made it this far in the video, I know that you are really dedicated and you have a lot to share with the world. And I'm so excited for you. You now know the 3 TikTok monetization ideas, which are TikTok content creator, TikTok sponsored content, and TikTok resume. If you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe and I'll see you next time.